This is number 20 on page 6. Here we have a case where we've got 5 grams of ice, solid water at 0 degrees C, and we're going to melt this. And we're asked to find out how much energy will it take to melt that much ice. And then, taking that amount of energy, how far would that send water, 1 gram of water, if you're starting at 4 degrees C, that would heat it up to what? So I guess if you're looking at the picture, we're going to take water and we're going to heat it up. And then how far will it go? Will it actually boil off and turn into steam? The question is, how far will we take that water? Will it turn into liquid or gas or what? Let's just see. So first of all, let's figure out how much heat we're gonna need to melt 5 grams of ice starting at 0 degrees C. The heat of fusion, which means melting or freezing, the same thing, opposite sign, is 80 calories per gram. So I would say we could start out there, say 5 grams of water, and multiply that by 80 calories per gram. Grams are going to cancel, and it's going to take 400 calories of heat to melt 5 grams of water. Now let's say, how far would we take 1 gram of water? How far could we heat 1 gram of water if we have 400 calories total? So first of all, let's see. We're starting out here at 4.0 degrees Celsius, which means to take it up to boiling, we'd have to take it up 96 degrees Celsius. And since water has a heat capacity of 1.0 calories per gram per degree Celsius, since we only have 1 gram of water and 1 calorie per 1 gram per degree Celsius, I can see it's going to take about 96 calories to bring that 1 gram of water up to the boiling point, at which point we're here on the graph, and then we have to ask the question, how much energy will be consumed boiling it off, and then after that, will we have steam, or what will we have? So since we have 400 calories to work with, and we haven't even consumed 100 yet, we have an additional about 300 calories left over. Now how much water would boil off with 300 calories? Here's where we bring in this other term, the heat of vaporization. And per 1 gram it takes 540 calories. We don't have that much, but we do have enough to boil off some of the water. So I would say some of this water, this 1 gram of water, will be vaporized. And it turns out that is enough of an answer to answer this question. The options are A, water at 90 degrees C. No, we've gone past that. Water at 100 degrees C. We've actually got some of it boiled off. Steam at 100 degrees C. No, we're not there yet. It's not all steam. Part of the water would be vaporized. We see the answer is selection D. We would have needed a little bit more to vaporize all the water. We needed 540 calories total. We only had 300, so only some of the water would be vaporized. We'd have to add some more energy to get it all to vaporize.